Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily find your MARSHALL WOBURN III. I don't really know how you can easily lose this kind of speaker, which is somehow big, but let me show you how to find it. At first we have to open the settings in our Android phone, and here we have to go into connected devices. Now we have to click this gear icon near our speaker and tap Find Device. Now we have to tap Google Play Store and here Always. Here, as you can see, we have Google's Find Hub. We have to click Install button near this application. Now we have to tap Open and continue with our Google account. Now we have to enter our password for our lock screen, and here now in our devices we should find our Marshall device. Let me exit this one too, and go back to Find Device. Let's tap that, tap Open, and it should redirect us to our speaker, but if in case it couldn't, as you can see, we have to tap Refresh button and search for our device on the list. WOBURN III. Here, and this is our location. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.